Yeah, the icons are not the best, but I might change them as well because I thought with the rotation, there might be something to do with the icons also. My main idea is make them more vertical, or rather more like rectangles, so that when you rotate them, maybe they get a bit outside of the slot. Oh. And we have a bug already. The fuck? What the hell is this? Is it because it's turned off? Oh, it's so long to start. Like, I can't. So. Um, Maybe this stuff should live in awake. So the main goal today is to give the ability to install ship modules in a specific rotation. Like maybe you want them facing the front of the ship, maybe you want them facing the side, or maybe you want them to shoot backwards, whatever it is. I'm also thinking at some point we'll have some actual shields, like physical shields, not just like absorbing damage. And so it would be nice that you can rotate them and place them however you want to protect the ship properly. And what the fuck is Unity doing? God. I need more RAM. I guess 16 is just not enough. I don't know how the fuck. It's only taking 3.4, so where the fuck is the rest of my RAM? What the hell is it doing? This is insane. Like, if I freeze on memory, it just takes it. Like. It keeps increasing. Like, what the hell is it doing? And where the fuck is there Node.js JavaScript runtime in there? Which fucking shit, What? How? How's it blowing up here? I should improve this shit, but although that's not really the problem, is it? Oh wait, no. So I changed it in the other one because I have a similar one here. This is crazy. How is it taking that much memory? The game is not even running. Obviously, It's deactivated, for fuck's sake. Yeah, no, but it's not the... This one doesn't matter. For sure. This one is activated. But it can be calling set lines before this has run, I guess. This is such a pain, like orchestrating the order of this stuff. Yeah, it's nothing here. This is to start before the ship layout UI. So today is gonna be like 3 hours max. And then I'll take a break and then we'll do another 3 hours. But yeah, this week, no more than 3 hours per session. Or what the fuck is it doing? Crazy. I need to restart it then. Oh, what the fuck is happening? It's like a massive memory leak. Oh. You know, look at this. It just keeps growing. What the fuck is this? Literally taking 8 gigabytes for doing nothing. It makes zero sense. Let's make sure to save. I'm gonna have to restart it because I don't know what the fuck is happening, but to stop it. Yeah. Yes, please clean up this bullshit. Mm. Windows search. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, I have so many of this small shit that would take up to 45%, but I guess that's how it is. Just gonna kill it then. Oh, who's taking so much processing as well? That's obvious. Hmm. I guess there's no new one. Let's check that it kept the order. Because this thing here, uh, this thing is called by the ship layout UI. So it needs to initialize before. This always sucks in Unity. Like, making sure that these awake and start stuff like runs in the right order is just a fucking pain. Let's see. That doesn't sound good. The fucking hell. What the fuck is happening? Mm. All I did was move this to awake, right? And for some reason, not able to set that an image material. This is crazy. What is it even doing? Guess I'm not gonna do that. Please, can you get out of it? I'm just gonna fucking kill it, I guess. Fuck waiting for it. Oh, these are the best bugs. When you have to kill the whole thing to try something else. Oh my god. Mm. Like maybe I should do a global kind of cleanup of the project because I have a lot of stuff that's in the like half finished states. I'm trying to go really fast and forego a lot of good practice, and I feel like it's biting me in the ass more than anything else. It's making me waste a shit ton of time. So here, it doesn't happen. But also it's because this thing doesn't get run. Wait, the script execution order thing is only for awake. I didn't know they were explaining this properly here. There are even callbacks actually. Yeah, but this is not what I'm interested in. This is. Okay. Let's just check that the order is correct if I put it in awake. We'll do void awake. Since there are even callbacks, I would rather have them be actual events that you subscribe to. Would make things a bit less confusing as well. Alright, so yeah, well, with this we'll also verify that this is another problem. But I don't know why it takes forever when... when it doesn't crash. So the wake happens here. Then the menu gets hidden here or there. Ship spawns here. Triggers the ship layout UI. And finally the set lines. We at the start. The start is not cold at all. So it does need to be in awake. Now why does that create this crazy memory hogging? I don't know. Yeah, what? Oh, fucking hell. Is it moving? It. It's fine, no? So I want to move it to awake, and we're gonna comment out the set lines because if anything can create so much memory hogging, it's whatever's happening in here. But it shouldn't, because if this thing stays open, then it's not a problem. So here everything works, so it is an issue with what's happening in here. But where's the ship layout UI? So basically, if I do this, the fuck? Yeah, okay. Yeah, no problem. That's 41 lines. That's supposed to be okay. Mm. Texture gets set to transparent and call this. No problem so far. Absolutely hate the formatter in this. Get rid of this log. This is already taking a lot. I went a lot faster now. I need to know how to time stuff in C#. Okay, I have a stopwatch. Interesting. This is the okay. So it's time or conversion here. Also let's start new. Okay. Of course, now it doesn't fucking know which one to use. Because fucking hate this. Right, so let me put this on the side. Okay, so you started here. Stop it here. It's time the whole texture creation or initialization. Um, So let's see how long this takes now. Before we put in, we put code back in. Texture init took 21 milliseconds. Conversion took nothing. Twenty-one minutes just to iterate the whole texture and set it just to transparent color. Drawing takes 0 because, well, there's nothing in it except this. Let's see with the debug how long. What's the difference if I add this thing in? Went from 0 to 6. That's crazy. Mm. Yeah, debug the logs are not free at all. The thing is, if I now just set this back in, then it's gonna happen again, and we don't really want that, do we? Could try just this. I think it might be this thing that's blowing up. Not sure. Here we're doing nothing, so if it starts hanging on this, then it's definitely this. Hmm. 110. That's crazy. Let me make sure. How much does it take if the 0, but probably it's optimizing it. It's optimizing the whole loop out. How can I make sure it goes into it and does something? I can log something, but like logging is far from being something free. Maybe if I do something like this and just do this. And we'll log it here so it doesn't, so it's used. Is it also scoping? Just do it here. Too many seconds. So this texture that get pixels here is just by itself. So here I'm actually just checking so that it's kind of it's kind of supposed to be an optimization. Like it's already filled and I just get out, you know. Yeah, but we're gonna have to do this using this. Okay, so let me rename this to texture colors. And I think we're just gonna come here and say we could do it in a single loop as well. But I don't think that's gonna be faster. I think it's a lot faster to just jump to the proper coordinates, so I would have to figure out the the pixel index from X and Y, and so basically it's going to be Y times I width plus X. Yeah, that should be correct. Mm. Then we compute our distance to line and then we set the color. So here we know if it's on, and here we set the color. We're not gonna set the color like this. We're gonna say texture colors, yes, pixel index, colors color. And then we'll do shit. Text, that's it. Pixels. Texture colors. And apply it. And you don't need to do it here, I think. Let's get rid of this. So hopefully this should be faster. Ah, but it's crazy that it goes from 2 to 110. Like, what the fuck is this doing to be so slow? Yeah, it was just this way. So something is wrong with it, but yeah, actually two things are wrong with it. Not sure why. It's like it's still faster with the whole drawing. If I do it like this, then just checking this, like that's crazy. They're probably doing some checks every single time. I don't know. I don't know what they're fucking doing, but it's hella slow. Mm. Alright, so you know what? We don't need any of this shit. Let's see if I can make it faster by still keeping this check now that we can say no pixel index. We can check if this is the line color and return. Although I don't think this would happen anymore. But let's just see if it's better or not. So we had 55. Well, it's faster, but it's not drawing anything. Wait, what the fuck? Put it to lines color, not to transform. Oh, but wait, but no. This is an array of colors where everything is transparent, so this should. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, of course, it's not gonna work. Of course, if I put a return, it's just going to exit immediately. Um. Okay, and this has even fixed the problem, so. Oh yeah. It's slower though. See, is there a lot of variance? No. But I know in JavaScript, like when you time stuff, it's like you have to run it 5,000 times and take the median to get a decent timing. But here, it's pretty consistently. I get like 2 to 3 around 85, but that's it. So we've gotten between 83 and 88, so that is not very significant at all. So that's a good thing. It's pretty consistent, so you can actually do performance optimization without too much pain because you can actually measure what you're doing. As well, like doing this in JavaScript is a massive pain in the ass. I don't know why I have this, but okay, so let's clean this up because now this is working fine. Or is it? Or is it? Did I change this back here? I did. So fuck. That means I still don't know what was hanging it. mm, I'm wondering if it's applying the texture to an image that is not active. Is that somehow crazy? Otherwise, something that I could do is run uh, is do set lines here, do the conversion, and but only do the drawing if it wasn't done in on enable. I could do that. Let's grab this and extract it to a public update texture. Public void. I'm gonna call it like this for now, and what I'm gonna do is put a debug log here. Yeah, okay, so what I want to log is where the game object is active. And we're gonna comment this whole thing out so that we don't get in yeah, we don't get locked in by the if it does still block. I don't know if it will. Interesting, it's active actually. Wait, what? Yeah? There's no way. Yeah. Yeah, it is active. How? How is it active? Oh, it might be a timing issue though. Cause like, what if it takes too long to generate the texture? And in the meantime, when it gets to here, the thing has deactivated and it can no longer set it. I don't know. Yeah, it's stupid, but at least here we don't have a problem. And I guess I'll just try it because, yeah, just have to know if it works or not. Mm, it blows up. What? What? Is this wrong? Um, still good on the memory so far. What? Is this happening because I moved it? Why? It's converted in the same way. Shouldn't be any difference. I really don't think that's it. It shouldn't change anything. Unless I have some weird date, but it doesn't. What the fuck? Look this. The whole point here is that the conversion is going to set this in to the proper coordinate system. So, what the fuck? Apparently, this is 1800, then means my center at 900, which means this should be converted into like 600 or something. The X didn't get converted at all. And the Y got converted in reverse somehow. What? What the fuck is going on? Do I need to run this in Awake as well? I think so. I think all of this might have to run in Awake actually. This is useless. What? Looks like. It's happening again. What the fuck? That's the best compile shit. Okay, I'm gonna make coffee in the meantime. Okay, so hopefully the reason it's running so slow. But why do we still have negative stuff here? How is this working? Oh wait, no, no, no. No, they're not negative. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so hopefully it's really long because of the logs. That would make sense. If I remove this stuff and this stuff, should be much faster. Why do I still have the logs? It's for the converted one. Yeah, that's a lot faster. Okay. So 87 milliseconds to draw it. That's alright. And we can improve it quite a lot actually because like right now it's drawing 41 lines. But uh, if I look at the actual layout, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16 with this other side. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we are about half the lines actually. Mm, and so the way that I can optimize this is I need to keep track of the ones that are the same basically. I wonder if it would be useful to have a way to just get that directly because I feel like it's something we might want to access easily or often. Mm, well, yeah, so this is where we create them. And so basically what I want to do is have a hash set of mhm, probably I'll just do int. Hmm. Kind of weird because I need if I have something that goes from 1 to 2, so it's just an addition actually. Let's do it like this. And anytime we add one, we're gonna calculate the key. or the UID. And it's gonna be slots that slot index plus connected slot dot slot index. And yeah, we're gonna skip it if it's already in there. And otherwise we add the line and we make sure to add the ID as already in, and that should make us drop from 41 lines to 21. If I counted this correctly. So we cut down the time to draw in 2. So I'm assuming this is working. But maybe it isn't. Can I open it right now? I can. So wait, there's 2 missing. What the hell? 3 missing. Why? Why would we be missing 3? I now have to check the UIDs. Make sure we have 1 unique per connection. So, as the UID shit. For slots, that's index, slot index to connected slot index. I don't know why. I'm missing a few of them. Just 3, like that's weird now. Alright, so okay, so these 2 have different UIDs, which is normal. Okay. So now I want to check that this one in reverse, the 517 to 57, is the same. Yes, it is. Where is this? The fuck is this? I don't think this is supposed to be in here. Probably some test code though. That's not the reason why, though. I would need to know, like, which one this is. Maybe I can get the index. $535. So 535. It's got a connection to 517 and 538. 536 and 537. So 517 should have been drawn before. How many lines do we get? Am I blind or something? Do I not log the counts anymore? I was like, oh my god, this is going so fast for once. Oh wait, no. It's not. Also, like, Unity's fucking compilation times are really bothering me. $17 lines. Wait, might have an issue with the actual connections. So this one here, connection to 2 and 3. Chassis one's got connection to 4, 2, and 3. And this one's got. This one's missing one of the reverse connections, no? 1, 4, and 3. No, that's correct actually. This one is okay as well. Chassis 1 and 2, yeah. Doesn't seem like it's an issue with how things are set up in here. So the connection that's missing is this one here. So between right wing slot 1 and the slot 3. 3 has a connection to 1 and 1 has a connection to 3, so like I need to display the text again, the indices. Let's do that. Let's reactivate this and put it down here. Can I just deactivate this? Probably. I don't want to change it too much. Just get in here and make sure we do this, not this. I should put this together. Yeah. Alright, so after taking a shit, I realized that I'm really stupid because, of course, an addition is going to collide. And, okay, so I don't need this actually. I will revert this and this is disabled. Oh, I swear this fucking compile time and reload domain and like, holy fucking shit. Yeah, so I cannot compute the hash like this. Addition is not gonna cut it. I need to do a multiplication with an offset, and I need to take whoever is the smaller and multiply it by, let's say 1000, because we have 3 numbers. Okay, I was actually in the proper one already. Okay, so here we're gonna say index A is going to be mat.min of slot index, yep, and index B is gonna be the max, and then we're gonna do we're gonna do index A times 1000 plus index B. And I was gonna create UIDs that are the smaller number followed by the larger one, and so that way we can actually look at them and know what they mean. Let's check it. So yeah, we go from 512 to 518, and the ID is 512, 518. So I didn't check it. Yeah, now it works. Okay. All right. This is the power of taking a fucking break. Just just find solutions instantly. Okay. So that's great. So now the fucking UI is finally going to work. And I can actually start working on